Hello and welcome back to Road Rates. My name's James. Today we're doing a special commute. We are going to the airport. We're going to the Boston Logan International Airport. I have to take a work trip for a couple of days, so I figured this would be a great video to be able to shoot and see what it's like to go to the airport. So we're going to start at the Massachusetts border because I've done the content for Concord, New Hampshire to the Massachusetts border. Feel free to check that out on a previous video. Otherwise, let's go. Welcome back. We made it to the airport. here's my notes. So be prepared for some intense traffic getting into Boston or leaving Boston if you happen to be going during commute hours. It's going to be congested. I would expect to add no less than 30 minutes to even an hour or more to your commute. So be prepared for that. Plan ahead. Let's see, if you're going towards the airport, there is an HOV lane going into the city for commuters. I would avoid that because where the HOV lane ends, you've got about a half a mile to cross 4 lanes. Be careful of that, please. There are 2 tunnels that you go through to get to the airport. At the end of the second tunnel, there is a toll. Not sure the amount. I will put it up in the notes when I do the editing. So I will find out what that is. Road quality, it's a 5. It's not a great road. It's Massachusetts roads that are heavily used, so they don't get a whole lot of maintenance. Simplicity, I'd also give it about a 5. It can get congested at a couple of stops for I-93 south through Massachusetts. You do exchange with 495 and 95, so those can get pretty congested sometimes for people taking those highways. Scenery, I'd give it about a 6. You get to see a little bit of Boston as you're going into the city before you head towards the airport. You see the Boston Garden. You get to go on the Zakim Bridge, which is kind of cool. As far as lowered cars are concerned, it's okay. I'd give it a 5 or 6. You can do it, but just be cautious because there are some raised platforms and some potholes and some gross areas of the road that you just want to be really careful of. Otherwise, we're at the airport. I'm gonna go get on my flight. Have a great day. Please like this if you enjoyed the content. Subscribe to the channel. Make some comments if you like, and we'll see you next time.